Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. That's Andy Brocklehurst on the screen there. She's not the kid that cracked the AI money code. She's the producer of the PDF that you can purchase right now for $9.80. It's the hottest thing out today, and it is all about 9 different ways to make money with AI without needing to be a coder and knowing anything technical like that. And I'll take a look inside for you and show you what it's all about. So I'm going to screw up past blah, 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 making money. And here you go, what you'll unlock inside. Hidden language markets where AI earns 4 times more than in English and why nobody touches them. How one simple $5 service snowballed into thousands per month with work that takes less time than boiling the kettle. Seasonal calendar hack, publishing platform that doubles Amazon. How to turn a single idea into all your recurring income with documents you already know how to create. And let's see here. How to raise 3-minute test that reveals duds before you waste time and how to scale winners before anyone else spots them. So it just goes on and on. All sorts of things about how to make money with AI. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Let's scroll down like I told you. There you go, $9.80. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see basically a quick description of Andy Brocklehurst, and a 22-year-old generates multiple income from AI without using coding or complex text. There's a bit of a description of everything. Bam, bam. It's a 48-page PDF. 9 methods, all the tools and techniques used, so you can easily replicate all of them. $9.80. You couldn't ask for much more. Click the link and go check it out. It's called 9 Methods That Work, How a Kid Cracked the AI Money Code. Click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.